Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Cavitation Muffler Tadpole Upgrade in Subnautica 2. To get the Cavitation Muffler Upgrade, start from the Research Outpost, located about 1,300 meters east of your life pod. From there, face a heading between 60 and 75 degrees and swim straight. It's highly recommended to descend to a depth of around 300 meters to reduce your chances of encountering the Collector Leviathan, which usually patrols the shallower waters above. Eventually, you'll reach the red boundary wall that marks the edge of the early access playable area. Follow alongside the wall, but do not enter the restricted zone. Keep following the wall until it disappears just before a man-made platform ahead. Swim over to the platform and you'll begin hearing the audio signal from a glowing data pad resting against a crate. Interact with it to obtain the Cavitation Muffler blueprint, then leave the area as soon as possible to avoid attracting the Collector Leviathan. After that, return to your base and craft the upgrade at a modification station using 3 titanium and 2 strontium. Once crafted, install it in your tadpole's upgrade compartment behind the power cell slot. The Cavitation Muffler reduces the noise your tadpole generates, making it stealthier and less likely to attract hostile creatures. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.